Food diaries have been scientifically proven to aid weight loss. They keep us mindfully accountable, as I do. Hi, I'm Madeline. I am a one-to-one diet and mindset coach, and I'm talking to you today from my car, having done a product drop-off to a client in Bramall, Cheshire. I'm about to go to my weight loss centre in Wilmslow, where I support clients in the local and surrounding areas. I also support clients virtually all over the UK. So, if you're thinking of keeping a food diary, download it here and be honest. If you ate it, chewed it, nibbled it, or licked it, record it. Record the time you ate, chewed, nibbled, or licked it. Measure and record portion size. Include cooking methods, oils, condiments, toppings, and note what you were doing while you ate, chewed, nibbled, or licked it. Yes, I'm talking about a food diary. Food diaries are useful and can be used to discover how you're feeling. If you're eating outside meal times, what's the trigger? Has something just happened that made you reach for that cake or chocolate or whatever it is? So it can show us how our emotions might be affecting our food choices. What foods help or hinder any existing health issues? Migraines. Help us to plan ahead, to be prepared, to do our shopping list and menu ideas. I hope this has been helpful. If you need any help or advice, contact me. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you. Madeline. I like to see lesser people.